Hey guys, it's Nick from F150 LEDs.com. Today we're here with our 98 to 03 Ford F150 and we're showing you how to upgrade your reverse lights by swapping out the old dim, dingy halogen bulbs with some ultra bright Cree LEDs from F150 LEDs.com. These bulbs are constructed with the highest quality. They've got radial lighting, they've got the projection end cap lens as well. They're definitely going to improve your F150 experience because when you put this truck in reverse, you're going to see where you're going now. Plus, those around you are going to know when your truck's in reverse, and it's going to make them and you and your family safer. So it's a great upgrade, it's easy to do, and Adam's going to walk us through the quick steps right now.
Alright guys, so the first step to installing our MK2 Cree reverse lights on this truck is we need to remove our taillight housing. So to do that, there are two 5/16 size bolts that are located inside these two holes right here. So we're going to go ahead and take our socket. We're going to begin removing these bolts. Now that our two bolts are removed, we'll simply pull away from our taillight housing and it'll pop right out. That'll give us access to our reverse light bulb. We're just going to give it a counterclockwise turn and pull it right out. So we've already installed our MK2 Cree reverse light bulb in here, but we want to go ahead and show you how to uninstall the bulb and then just reinstall it back into place. So if you have an OEM bulb or a glass bulb, just be sure to pull away from your base. That way you don't shatter your glass or anything like that. Then we'll just simply reinstall this bulb right back in. Now if you install this bulb and it doesn't light up when you put your truck in reverse, don't worry, these bulbs are polar sensitive. So just come back to your bulb, uninstall it, give it a 180-degree turn, and install it back into place, and you should be good to go. So now that we've done that, we'll install our bulb back into the housing, give it a clockwise turn to lock it into place, and then we'll put our taillight housing back into our truck. Now that we've done that, we'll just reinsert our two bolts, and then we'll be good to go to do the same thing for the other side.
Thanks Adam, good job on the install. These things look fantastic and the camera can't capture how bright they are, but they are extremely bright and they're definitely going to improve your F-150 experience. So we highly recommend the upgrade. You can check them out at F150LEDs.com where you'll find all of our custom LED lighting products built specifically for your F-150. We truly appreciate your support. Be sure to click the subscribe button below and we'll see you at F150LEDs.com soon. Thanks guys.